So you'll notice here we have introduced a Solari board, the famous split flap boards that Saarinen sourced back for the TWA Flight Center. Right there is Kennedy Airport. You can see the little control tower there. Our objective here was to recreate Saarinen's sunken lounge. We brought back all of David Klein's iconic travel posters. We are under construction right now. We have 18 months to go. Putting together the artifacts of what happened in 1962, fixing up the building to exactly how it was. It's the largest hotel lobby in the world with 8 restaurants, 6 bars, museum, an observation deck, 10,000 square foot fitness facility. So there's really going to be a tremendous amount of things to do, places to explore in this terrific building.